5 years na since I started as the Ilonggo engineer, and here are 5 lessons that I wish I knew when I was still a fresh graduate. Plans change, and then change again. Learn to adjust faster than the deadline. Your career is not a sprint. Tandaan, it's a marathon, kaya dahan-dahan lang. And remember, progress is progress. Maging patient sa results pero hindi sa aksyon. Araw-araw na gawa at pag-aaral ang nagko-compound. Hindi lang projects ang binubuo. Build relationships. Mas tatagal yon kaysa sa kahit anong structure. Stay curious. The best engineers are forever students. 5 years in and I'm still learning every day. This has been Ray Macalalag, your Ilonggo engineer from the City of Love for the future we love.